Right, time for day 11 of Adventure Code 2023. The sum of the lengths of the shortest path. The universe expanded in the time it took the light from those galaxies. Any rows or columns that contain no galaxy should actually be twice as big. But is this, okay. Alright, well, let's give this a go. Empty rows equals new list int. I'm going to make that a hash set. And empty cols. Okay, and for int y equals 0, y is less than to lines of length y plus plus. That's perfect. If lines is equal to, is it a hash or a, it's a hash. Then galaxies to add xy, and all empty equals true. And I want to do the same thing, but in the opposite direction. Is the length y plus plus. Okay, let me just put a breakpoint here and make sure that I've got my logic there all good. So empty rows. I don't want hexadecimal. Okay, cool. So how does this work? Galaxies.count. Okay, and then what we'll do is for min x equals math dot min x or x1. Perfect. Okay, so var dist is equal to max y minus min y plus max x minus min x. And then what we want to do is for n I equals 0. I'm just double checking. Is it like... Okay. For x equals min x, max x, x plus plus. If empty cols dot contains x, then dis plus plus, and then we do the same for the y's. That should be like that. Empty rows. Let's just try that. Total is this amount. 72, let's go. Okay, wrong, but it's okay. How does that work? Am I meant to... Let's have a look at the input here on the example. Total here. Okay, well that's wrong. I suppose what actually is happening is that if there's a... Let me try to num x equals 0. And then num y equals 0. And then it's going to be d equals, because we can cross over on the borders, so equals dist plus 100 times math.max num x num y. Okay, does that solve? Does that give us the right answer? 1, 2, 3, 7, 4. So it's not the right answer, but I think I'm kind of getting to the right point here because okay, how do we do this? Let's try this real quick. How does that work? Okay, actually, you know what it is? It's going to be something like, wait, total is 1030. How does that work? Okay. Can we go diagonal? We can't go diagonal, right? Yeah. So, why is it so that's only 1030 here? Is it possible to, in the gaps, make it go faster so that we're not... I'm confused why that happens. I'm really confused. I added +1. Let's just double check. This is, I still get the right value for the top one. That I haven't done anything silly. So total here was 538. What did I do different now? I'm really confused. What? What did I do wrong? Let me undo my code changes here. Actually, let me redo them real quick. I'm just going to copy it, and then undo it all. Okay, does that show the correct number? Total 538. Wait, but I got 374. Is it a different input? It's the same input. What? How did I get the right answer? The previous one. Let's just try and do some testing here real quick. Well, I got really lucky on the first one then, because that should not have happened. So this one, we're at x0, y0. So this is 1 and 2. I want the one that's at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Y equals 10. So this dist should be, why have I got 21 here? So I've got max y minus min y. As a distance of 10 and a distance of 5. So this should be 15. Is there a way to avoid all the empty ones on the way? Oh, it's because I'm looking at the expanded version. Oh, that sucks. I copied the wrong input. Okay, so I get 374. Okay, so if I copy paste this back again. Wait, I need to do this again. So that should be 1030, but if I do num x equals 0, then I think what we do is we do total equals max num equals math dot max num x num y, and min num equals math dot min. And so it's going to be plus 10 times min num plus max num minus min num. Total is 892. That's the wrong answer, but I think I'm getting closer because, okay, let's think about this real quick. So we know that for the crossings, actually the crossings, that's going to be, the crossings, it's going to take, instead of 10, it's going to be, what? Because I was thinking you can do diagonal to get through it easier. Is it 100 times that? 2872. That's not right. So here we want a min num of, so we're going over 1. So there has to be 10. How can we get through these things faster? Because we still have to get through them all. Like, I don't see how you can get around having to get through them all. What's wrong with my code? My total is 30. I want to continue here. So I got 1112. Okay, well, what's 1112 minus 1030? Well, I mean, that's not going to help. Maybe if it's in a diagonal, does it take less steps? Like maybe let me try actually. I just want to see if this works. If I do 19 here, does this maybe work instead? 1030, maybe 1018? I mean, I'm reaching, but this is gonna, like, I don't know what I'm trying to do here. How can it be faster? What's the trick? Let's say that they were 2 wide. Or, I mean, 10 wide should work. Like, I don't understand why this doesn't work. Okay, so here we're off by 1112 to 1030. So if we just try and, I just want to do So we're off by 82. But where is that 82 coming from? Where's 82 coming from? So if we've got like here, and previously it was 1, we have to go down into if it was double, it has to go down, down, right, right to get through it. What if it's actually plus 9 times? Oh, that's it. Oh my god, I'm dumb. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, my bad for writing all those combinations. Okay, let me just get rid of that. Wait, what? I guess it was just a overlapping thing. Yeah, I spent way too long on that last part. Oh well. Thanks for watching.